Our trip was postponed for a
Na 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 na
makeup, toiletries, and some other stuff. Hey guys, it's your girl Nicolle with 2 L's and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for today's video will be a pack with me video, and without further ado, let's straight on to the video. So, saan nga ba ako pupunta? Actually, it's not that huge of a trip because I'm just going to our hometown, which is Malaybalay City at Bukidnon. So, I don't know if matatawag ko siyang hometown ko kasi hindi naman ako doon, like, pinanganak and all. But most of my family basically lived there for a while and was born there, and except for me, yung parents ko doon lumaki sa Malaybalay. Pwede din yung brother and sister ko doon sila lumaki. And yeah, ako lang yung iba kasi I'm born and raised here in CDO. So, here is the question. Why am I going to Malaybalay City? I'm going there for no particular reason na importante talaga or stuff. I'm just going there because I need a time to unwind. So, I think it's been a while since nag-visit ako sa Malaybalay. I think last visit ko was December 2020 kasi dun kami Christmas, and also I want to go there kasi miss ko na din yung cousins ko because most of my cousins, specifically yung mga close ko na cousins, is doon sila nakatira sa Malaybalay. And yeah, I'm here in CDO alone. But yeah, basically I'm staying there for at least a week maybe. And I will just try to unwind there and film content na hindi sa bahay ko. And also, a time to think. Because right now, it's a crucial time for me because it's time where I will decide for my future. Pero, yeah, it's kind of true because magka-college na ko and it's already July as I'm filming this right now and hindi pa ako enrolled.
Oh my God! Wow!
So yeah, malapit na yung pasukan, maybe August or September, I actually don't know when. But hindi pa ako enrolled and I'm still confused sa course ko. So yeah, I really need that time to go to nature and to a new environment to think and all of those stuff. So I actually already made a short list kung anong dapat kong ipack, but it's not that final yet kasi yun nga, biglaan, hindi ako nag-prepare, and even though it's still not sure na bukas kami pupunta, dapat na ako mag-pack ngayon kasi baka bukas din kami pupunta. So like, I'm kinda scared kasi baka may makalimutan ako. 1 week pa naman ako doon. Pero also, on the other hand, I'm also not worried because I'm staying at my cousin's house. So like, I can just borrow. So, ang plan ko para at least organize yung pag-pack ko and to make sure na wala akong masyadong makalimutan is by step yung pag-pack ko. First is clothes. I think I won't pack too much clothes kasi pwede naman ako manghiram sa cousin ko. And then after that, I'm going to start packing my makeup, utilities, and accessories. And also, with the makeup, hindi ako masyadong mag-pack ng makeup ko. Not like before na parang buong makeup collection ko dadalhin ko talaga. I'm not doing that right now kasi may makeup naman yung cousin ko. So yeah, mahirap na ako. Dadalhin ko lang yung mga makeup ko na kailangan ko talaga, like eyeliner and yeah, some other stuffs. And then after that, I think I'm going to pack my stationaries, journals, because it's an essential part of me. If you do not know, I actually do bullet journaling. I actually have an Instagram account sa mga journals ko. Ito. If you want to follow it, then follow. If not, it's okay. And the next two stationaries is ipapack ko yung laptop ko, chargers, and some tech stuff kasi I'm going to edit pa din for my vlogs. So yeah, that's my plan for now. And I will bring you along with me, guys. So, I think I finally kind of resorted the things that I want to pack for my clothes. But yeah, anyways, I think I just want to show you guys what I packed for my panggala clothes, even though hindi ako gagala. Nagpack lang ako ng outside clothes because I'm trying to film something with my cousins. I still don't know what it will be, but yeah. Also, I will try to vlog the whole week while I'm there. So like, yes. Una kong pinak is ito. Nagpack ako ng dress kasi, you know, Sunday, baka magsimba kami. Nagpack ako ng isang dress. Ito yung dress. Also, nagdala din ako ng jacket, white jean jacket, because I know malimig doon sa Malibalay. Next is this black Forever 21 short, and I'm going to match it with this oversized army green button-up shirt. Next, napack din ako ng plain black jeans because why not? And then, I'll just wear it with a basic white top na may collar. And actually, I think pinakita ko ito sa Shopee haul ko. And kung hindi nyo pa nakita yung Shopee haul ko, here it is. Click the I button or I'll maybe link it down below. So yeah. Next is this white pleated tennis skirt. Actually, hindi ko siya size. It's medium and I'm extra small. So like, but it's fine. So yeah, I'm going to bring that and maybe I'm going to pair it with this top. It's a black silk bralette. Next is this white short. And then, by the way, I'm going to pair it with this top. I've been wearing this top a lot na sa like videos ko, but I don't know why, I just love wearing it and I think it fits me well. So yes, I'm going to bring that. I know guys, medyo marami na akong nadala, even though I'm just going to stay there for a week, but it's just me. Sorry. And then I think it's not going to be the last thing that I'm going to bring, but maybe is I'm going to bring this jeans na tattered. Actually, I don't know if I'm going to wear this doon, but let's see. And I'm going to pair it with this top. And then, yes, nasa Shopee haul ko to. So yeah, hindi pa final na lahat ng pinakita ko guys is like dadalhin ko. Maybe I'm going to leave some of these or maybe may ma-add ako. But yeah, let's see kung ano yung final decision ko. So yeah, I'm going to start packing my clothes.
My love language is your time and attention. Won't you give some of it to me? I've been lonely lately.
So, I'm low-key done packing my clothes, but I know it's not yet final because nalaman ko lang like ngayon kasi nag-ask ako ng papa kung what time kami aalas bukas, if aalas kami bukas, sabi niya after lunch. So, okay, yeah. And I've decided na ito na lang yung outfit na susuotin ko like bukas for traveling. So yeah, right now, the next level, the next step is to pack my makeup, accessories, and ano yung sinabi kong iba? Basta makeup and accessories. So, time-lapse in 3, 2, 1.
Language is your love and affection. Won't you give some of it to me? Yeah, I need you present. Instead of giving me presents, you're not getting off that easily. Oh, when we get back on the same page, tonight we can stay. And why don't you talk to me? Let's start a conversation. When you spend your time with me, you're speaking my love language.
So, I am done packing sa mga makeup, accessories, toiletries ko. So, this is going to be my makeup bag. And like, share ko lang, medyo himala kasi hindi siya puno. But yeah, dala ko lang dito are my moisturizer, my makeup brushes, alcohol, wipes, eyeliners, pang kilay, mascara and eyelash curler, mini mirror, my concealer, a highlighter palette, my lip tints and blush and chapstick, powder, also sponge, and a random eyelash glue. So that's it for my makeup bag or kit. So I think sana wala ako nakalimutan sa category na ito. But yeah, I think that's it. So next na ipapak ko are my journal, laptop, basically tech stuffs, and shoes maybe, and some random stuffs, and then mask. Yeah, of course. So I'm going to start packing those stuffs now. So right now I am in my brother's room because kung hindi nyo masyadong halata, I've been sleeping here for almost a week na ata kasi well, hindi siya umuwi because of work, like stuck his work. And yeah, I sometimes sleep here kasi kung bed ko. But anyways, so yeah, I'm going to start now. So yeah, balik muna tayo sa main room ko. I'm going to take some photos and film some stuffs that I need to film kasi hindi pa ako tapos mag-film for my Shopee haul. So yeah, i-update ko lang kayo guys kapag medyo fully packed na ako. So hey guys, as you read in the title, yes, our trip was postponed for a week due to an unexpected circumstance. Pero, actually, the day after I pack, tumuloy pa rin kami na pumunta sa Malaybalay kasi nag-attend ng wedding yung parents ko, and then ako nagstay lang doon just to hang out with my cousins. I'll just insert some clips here. So yeah, it has been a week after I filmed that video, and right now matutuloy na talaga. We will start our biyahe later, mga 2 or 3 p.m. It's currently 1 p.m. So yes, ito yung mga bags ko. Parang lalayas ako lol. That bag are full of clothes. These are my makeup, toiletries, and some other stuffs. My, just carry-on bag, and then my laptop bag. Pero hindi pa ako like fully packed. I still need to pack my gadgets, my tablet, my camera, and obviously my phone. Nag-charge lang ako ng batteries sa camera ko. And I think that's basically it. Hopefully wala akong naiwan. And actually same lang din yung pinak ko. Like sa video, I didn't change anything because I was too lazy. So yeah, that's basically it for my video for today. Stay tuned for my future vlogs sa aking mini vacation vlog. So yeah, if you want, you can follow me in my social media accounts. I'll put it in the screen or link them in the description box below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell below for more updates and more videos. And see you in my next video. Bye!
'Cause with you the future seems so bright. Won't you stay here by my side?